Welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show. I am James Boslaw, your Fredericksburg area realtor and vacation rental investor. And this show is all about real estate in the Fredericksburg area, the Fawn Lake community, and the vacation rental space. I help people buy and sell homes because I believe that everyone should grow their wealth as they live in or own a home that they love. I also believe that everyone should feel confident when buying or selling a home, and confidence comes when you are well educated and informed. And that's what this show is all about. Enjoy the show. Hey everyone, welcome to the Explore Real Estate Show, where in today's episode, we are going to break down the real estate stats for the Fawn Lake community for the months of June and July. For those of you that normally listen to this show, you know that I typically record stats on a month-to-month basis, but due to some sickness and some family travel, I'm actually combining 2 months together in this one episode today. So what that does mean is that we are going to have more data to look at. We're going to look at the stats for the month of June, the month of July, as well as the year-to-date stats through July of this year and compare them to last year. So let's dive right on in because there's a lot of stats and numbers I want to go over so that you guys can understand what's taking place in our community. So first and foremost, we're going to look at June, the month of June of 2023, and we're going to compare it to the month of June in 2022 last year. And we do that, the overall sold dollar volume is down 67%. That's a lot less home being sold as far as total sales volume. The average sales price, and this one stings a bit to hear, the average sales price is down 26% from last year in the month of June only, not year to date. We'll go over that in just a bit. But last year, in the month of June, the sales price was quite a bit higher on average than it was this year by about 25%. If you look at the median sales price, we're down this year about 6% from last year for the month of June. Units sold, we are down about 57%. Once again, less homes being sold. And the average days on market in the month of June is up 110%. Now, that's how long it takes for a home to go under contract. And that sounds, 110% sounds crazy. But what that really means is that last year in the month of June, the average amount of days on market for a house was 10 days. And this year in the month of June, the average days for a house to be on the market before it goes under contract was 21. So still, homes are going under contract in about 21 days. So that's not too bad there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to skip to the month of July. I'm going to take a look at what the stats say for the month of July. And they kind of mirror what June showed us because the sold dollar volume in the month of July this year is down 43% compared to July of last year. The average sales price is down 6% in the month of July this year compared to last year. And the median sales price is down 4% this year from last year. The overall units sold is down 40% this year from year to date last year. And the average days on market is once again 106% higher this year than it was last year. But all that means is that last year, the average days on market, January through July was 16 days, whereas in this year, the average days on market, January through July is 33 days. So homes are taking about a month before they go under contract on average. Now, we've seen this for a while. If you've been following the show, the last few months, we've seen that the sales price in our community is actually down from last year. That does not mirror the rest of the Fredericksburg area market. If you listen to my other episodes, the Fredericksburg area market is actually up year to date about 2%. So our community is being impacted negatively in this market where the interest rates are quite a bit higher and people are taking out jumbo loans, which have even higher interest rates on the homes here in the community. Now, these numbers are not indicating that anything's plummeting. It's not like, the sky is falling and things are completely going crazy. However, it is important to note that if you are a homeowner, your home is valued less now than it was 12 months at this time. And if you are looking to sell your home, the average days on market and the amount of time it will take for it to get under contract is quite a bit higher this year. On average, it's taking about 30 days or so to get a home under contract. So if you are a homeowner and you're looking to sell, patience is your best friend. You're going to be able to sell your home and still have a lot of equity in your home. However, it's going to take longer to sell. Now, what does this mean if you're looking to buy a home in the neighborhood, or maybe you already live in here, but you're thinking about trading your current home for another home that suits your family's needs better? Whether you want a house that's bigger or you want to downsize and get a house that's smaller, What this means is this might be a great opportunity for you to capitalize on that. You can still sell your home, and there's been a lot of appreciation over the last several years leading up to this, to where you're probably sitting in a very good spot to sell your home and have a lot of equity. But as you're looking to buy a home, homes are on the market a little bit longer than normal. And there might be some opportunities there for you to sneak in and maybe do some negotiations and create a favorable outcome for you for the home that you're looking to purchase. So there are more opportunities out there. Probably if you're looking to buy in the neighborhood, things are starting to shift a little bit more to where maybe the buyer is starting to have a little bit more wiggle room in here. However, if you're a seller and you own a home in Fawn Lake, you are sitting on what has been some record appreciation over the last several years, and your home is probably valued at a much higher sales price than what you purchased it years ago. So as always, I'm happy to bring to you the data for our community, whether it's data that you want to hear or don't want to hear. The thing that I love about stats is that they don't lie. They're very concrete. And so these are the stats that I am excited to bring to you, because I believe that everyone should feel good whether they're looking to buy or sell a home. And feeling good and confident comes from being well-educated and informed. And that's what these stats do. They educate us. They inform us on what's taking place in our community. And so I'm happy to bring it to you to make sure that you can take this information and use it in a way that serves your family. But as always, if you have more questions about our community and need some expert advice, you can always find me at my website at explorewithjb.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to the show. That way you're being kept up with all the recent episodes that I'm putting out there. If you're listening to this on Apple's podcast, make sure to follow the show so that once again, you can be kept up with the newest episodes. And I'm happy to bring it to you. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. And as always, I hope you have a great day and I hope you make it a great week. Thanks, and see you on the next episode.